Gone and I wrote for you. Yeah. They go in a perfect world if it's me and you. Ayy. But girl, let's just wait till this party go. Yeah. Stop a bread, I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I got this punch in my cup. I don't know about you, still got this punch in my cup. Life just getting started, I'm already doing too much. Well, carry on.
Your music. It gets you through the day. So you want music by your side with sound that inspires you. With the SoundLink Color Bluetooth speaker, you can enjoy full sound from a speaker that's small, lightweight, and simple to use, with voice prompts that talk you through Bluetooth pairing. A unique speaker design brings rich, deep sound to your music, so every song on your playlist can motivate you, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. And whether you listen at home or take it on the go, the rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps your favorite music playing for up to 8 hours unplugged. There's a SoundLink color to fit any style, at a price that will make you want to dance. Your music keeps you moving, and with SoundLink Color, now it can move with you.
Living on the right, pulling at the strings till the lights turn to
Meet the BOSEbuild Speaker Cube. It's a great sounding Bluetooth speaker, but it doesn't come as a finished product. It comes in pieces. Because we want you to see how it works inside. This is the transducer, the heart of the speaker. To help you understand how it works, we start simple, with a magnet and a coil of wire, to introduce the concept of electromagnetism. You press a button in our app, and a pulse of electricity flows through the coil, causing it to jump. By repeating the pulses, you can turn motion into vibration. And this is just the beginning. The app leads you step by step, showing you how a magnet and coil work together to form the heart of a speaker, creating motion and sound and even music. You conclude your journey by building your speaker and making it your own with customizable lights and covers. You'll be able to enjoy the great sound for years to come. But even better, you'll have the satisfaction of being able to say, "I built that."